Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making potato muffins. This recipe is inspired by the wonderful high carb Hannah. Super easy, super simple. It is high carb, low fat, perfect. So let me show you what we've got going on over here. So we'll be using some shredded potatoes, some spinach, we've got some steamed cauliflower, some spices and baking powder, some gluten-free flour, I've got some flaxseed, and some water. We're gonna start with the dry ingredients first. So we're gonna put our flour in here, our spices and baking powder, little flaxseed, and we just wanna give this a quick stir. Next we'll add the water. Then we add our steamed cauliflower. And then you're just gonna mash this around, get it soft, mix in. Next we're gonna add our shredded potatoes and our spinach and mix well. Then you're gonna use your muffin tin and you're gonna pack these pretty full. Squish them down and pack them. I'm just gonna continue filling my muffin tins. Then these will bake in a 400-degree oven for about 30 minutes. So we'll see in 30 minutes. Okay, so this fun little recipe is all done. Just a couple of notes. I did have to let it cook for about 47 minutes. So just check them after 30, depending on your oven, temperatures may vary. I did change up some of the spices, but I will put exact measurements and spices in the description box. I used smoked paprika, onion powder, salt, and a little bit of cayenne. Very little bit from Hannah's original recipe. So I am going to give these a taste, and I'll give you up close. Little potato muffin. I've got some ketchup here. Well, I'll show you. I'm just going to dip it in and take a bite. Not bad. I like it. It's crispy on the outside, still a little moist on the inside. So it's kind of like a hash brown muffin kind of a thing. So if you love potatoes like I do, you will love it. So please give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.